New Notion AI agent is insane. Notion just dropped something that is going to blow your mind. It is called Custom Agents, and it is the biggest AI update Notion has ever done. Ever. I am not joking. This thing works while you sleep. It does not stop. It does not take breaks. It just runs. And today I am going to show you exactly how it works, why it is a game changer, and how you can use it right now for free. Stick around because this one is wild. So here's the deal. Notion used to be a tool where you type stuff in and it helps you out. Cool. But now it is a full team of AI workers that run on their own. No prompting, no babysitting. You set it up once and it just goes. Think of it like hiring a team that works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They never call in sick. They never forget stuff. They just do the work. And the crazy part, you can connect these agents to all your other tools. Slack, email, calendar, Figma, Linear, HubSpot, all of it. So your AI agent can pull info from Slack, create a task in Notion, assign it to the right person, and send an update, all without you touching a single button. That is insane. Let me break down how this actually works. There are two ways these agents run. First, triggers, something happens, and the agent reacts. Like if someone posts a question in your Slack channel, the agent picks it up and answers it using everything in your Notion workspace. No waiting, no delays. Done. Second, schedules. You tell the agent to do something every day, every week, whatever you want. Like every morning at 9 a.m., it pulls together a status report for your team. Or every Friday, it creates a sprint recap. You set it once, it runs forever. That is the power of this. Now, let me give you some real use cases because this is where it gets good. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he is helping clients get more leads and customers, I am here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so use case number one, auto answering team questions. You know how your team asks the same questions over and over? Where is the brand guide? What is the process for this? When is that due? Your agent just handles it. It watches your Slack or your Notion Q&A page and answers instantly using your workspace knowledge. No more repeating yourself, no more digging through docs. Done. Use case number two, task routing. Someone submits a request, the agent grabs it, turns it into a Notion task, figures out who should handle it, and assigns it to them automatically. No human in the loop. That is a whole workflow that used to take you 10, 15 minutes every single time. Now it takes 0. Use case number 3. Automated reports, daily stand-ups, weekly summaries, sprint recaps. Your agent builds them for you. It pulls the data, writes the summary, and drops it right into your workspace every single day without you doing anything. Imagine waking up and your report is already sitting there waiting for you. That is what this does. Use case number 4, connected tools. This is the big one. These agents are not stuck inside Notion. They reach out into Slack, into your email, into your calendar, into Figma, into Linear, into HubSpot, so you can build workflows that span across everything you use. One agent can check your email, create a task, ping someone on Slack, and update your project board all in one flow. That is next level. Now, here is something important. I know what you're thinking. Okay, this sounds powerful, but is it safe? Can these agents just go rogue and mess everything up? No. Notion built this with serious security baked in from the start. Every agent only sees what you let it see. You control the permissions. Your admins can audit everything. Every single run is logged. You can see exactly what the agent did, when it did it, and why. And if something goes wrong, actions are reversible. So you are always in control. Always. Your admins can also control who gets to build agents. So it is not a free-for-all. There is a proper governance layer. That matters a lot for teams, especially bigger teams. Now, let me tell you about the teams part. These agents are not just for you. You can share them with your whole team. You can co-create them. Think of it like building a shared resource that everyone benefits from. One person builds the agent, the whole team uses it. That is efficiency on another level. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Notion Custom Agents to actually scale your business and get more customers, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to learn how to automate your workflows, save hundreds of hours, and use AI agents like this to grow faster. I will drop the link in the comments and description. Go check it out, especially if you are serious about using AI to level up your business with tools like Notion agents. All right, let me keep going because there is more. Let me talk about how to actually set these up. It is way simpler than you think. You go into Notion, you create a new agent, you tell it what to do, you pick your trigger or your schedule, you connect your tools, and you let it rip. That is it. No code, no technical stuff. If you can use Notion, you can build an agent, period. And right now, this is in free beta. If you're on a business or enterprise plan, you get unlimited agent runs until May 2026. So you have months to test this, build agents, and see what works for your team. There is zero risk right now. Just go try it. After the beta, agents will use something called Notion credits. It is a usage-based system. The more your agents run, the more credits they use, and your team can track everything in a usage dashboard. So you always know exactly where you stand. No surprises. Now let me give you some pro tips. When you are building your first agent, start simple. Do not try to automate your entire company on day one. Pick one annoying task that you do over and over. Maybe it is answering the same Slack question. Maybe it is creating status reports. Maybe it is routing tasks. Pick one thing, build an agent for it, see how it works, then build another one and another one, stack them up. Before you know it, you've got a whole team of AI agents handling the boring stuff so you can focus on the stuff that actually matters. Now, here is what I love about this update. It is not just a feature, it is a shift. Notion went from being a tool you use to being a platform that works for you. That is a huge difference. You are not just organizing your work anymore, you are automating it. And that changes everything. Think about what your day looks like right now. You wake up, you check Slack, you check email, you update your tasks, you write a status report, you answer questions from your team. That is like the first 2 hours of your day gone. Now imagine all of that is already done before you even open your laptop. That is what Notion custom agents can do. And the best part is it only gets better from here. Notion is going to keep adding more integrations, more capabilities, more ways to connect your agents. This is just the beginning. So if you get in now, you are ahead of everyone else. Let me recap real quick. Notion custom agents are autonomous AI teammates. They run on triggers or schedules. They connect to all your tools. They handle Q&A, task routing, reports, and way more. They are secure and fully controlled by your admins. They are free to use right now in beta, and they are going to change how teams work forever. If you want to go deeper on this and learn how to use Notion AI agents and other AI tools to automate your business and get more customers, join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I break down exactly how to set up automations like this step by step. We are talking full walkthroughs, templates, and real strategies you can plug into your business today. If you are serious about using AI agents like Notion custom agents to streamline your workflows, save hundreds of hours, and actually get results, this is the place to be. I am not just talking about it, I am showing you how to do it. The link is in the comments and description. Do not sleep on this one. Go join now while it is fresh in your mind. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. This is our free community and it is stacked. You will get all the video notes from every single video I put out. You'll get access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI right now. People in there are sharing what is working, asking questions, helping each other out. It is the best free resource for anyone who wants to stay ahead with AI. Whether you are just getting started or you have been using AI tools for a while, this community will level you up. Links in the comments and description. Go join and I will see you in there. Drop a comment below and tell me what agent you would build first. Julian reads every single one. I will see you in the next video.